So just a little trick that you could use the volume profile tool with the first light beacon. Honestly, any of the zones, but I'm going to show you on the 4-hour. Just going to come over here. We're going to actually turn the candles off. So we're going to go to transparent for a moment so we can see, and I can just, you don't have to do this, but I'm just doing this so they can explain it to you and you can see what I'm doing. All right. As you know, each one of these is a 4-hour zone, and I was using ninjatrader candles, so that's why they kind of look like this. What we're going to want to do is we're going to go to our drawing tools, or go to our FLB fixed volume profile, and we're going to select the beginning of this 4-hour zone and the beginning of that 4-hour zone. And there you go. You have a volume profile on your chart right here, just like this. If you want, you can go into the properties and you can extend those rays. And let's do that real quick. And you will look like this. And you will see them to the right. Now, let's turn on our candles. So we'll come over here and we'll give the candles some color. And that will make it so that we can see them. And click apply, and then boom. Look at that right there. So you're waiting for price to come into your zone or reject your zone. And boom, there it goes. Now, if we want to, we can do the same thing on every 4-hour zone that we come across. Why did we do lime? But whatever. We're going to go transparent again and click that. And then let's go to the next one over here. So it would be this one to this one up here, right there. So we would select that, right? And then this would actually be getting into the time frame of US session right here. This is 10 a.m. Okay. And let's go back to our candles and turn them on again. We're just going to give them some color, and this time we'll actually select a different color for this, for those. There we are, and apply. And then now you have your zone that you can trade off of in tandem with the 4-hour. And then this blue line right here is just a 15-minute middle line, basically. But I just wanted to give that trick to you guys real quick on how to use this with just the zones. Now, if you are looking to scalp, this is a good way to get into them. But we can actually go into, there we go, into our zone right here and just say, we'll just try the 15-minute real quick, right? So we're going to click apply. And then we're going to actually turn off the candles real quick again, just so they can show you. And click that. I would actually go to a 32 and 8 on something like this and click OK. Anyways, now that we are going to load. Where are we? There we are. All right, so let's just select. Let's go back to 10. Where's 10? 10 o'clock. Where are you? 10. There's 10. Right around there. Right around here. 10 o'clock. All right. So trade shield was bullish for the day, basically. So we would not want to be doing this on any of these bearish zones here. We would want to be doing it on the bullish ones. And let's try it right here. So we're going to go to drawing tools. Where did you go? There you are. And we're going to click it. And we're just going to click from here to the start of that next one, right? And then we're going to go into our candles again and turn them on. You don't have to turn these off on and off to do these. I'm just doing it so that you can see visually exactly where I'm getting into it. So this is a valid scalp I would take that. And I mean, you can take it yourself, but if you look at what's going on here, we are starting a new 15-minute candle. We are dropping down inside of the value area of the volume profile, correct? And we're hitting an end cap that's right here, right? There was one here. It's not here anymore because I don't have them turned on, but or if price has gone through them. But we are hitting an end cap, and in that end cap, the delta volume, the buying side, was the winner of that whole area right here. So if you look at, let's see, I can turn on a drawing tool real quick, and we'll turn on some white. So if you look at this end cap right here, right? And go over here to this block. We have green, 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 green. Green was the winner in this area, right? So, it doesn't really take much to see that which direction you want to look for. So since green was winning, delta volume was winning up, and we break up over the zone, this is a valid scalp, right? And that is a decent little run of what is that, 16 bars, so what, 30 points, 38 points. So that's a decent scalp up right there, and you can do this on every bar or every zone, right? So there's the start of that one, and then we're going to come over to the start of this one. So now we're getting volume data from this zone right here. This one actually breaks, doesn't break down inside of the value area, so you wouldn't take that one, right? And it goes bearish. It's showing you right there that you wouldn't want to do that. Now we come into this one over here, which is, well, you really don't want to do the bearish ones at all. And this one ended up being bearish because it was red. And then here we go with the green one. So we can come over here and look at our drawing tools and click the start of this one to the start of that one, and look at what we got. So when the new 15-minute candle forms, we get a breakdown into our zone. And again, here is all of our, here's our end cap right here, right? And look at all this delta volume to the left. It's showing you that we're bullish, right? So there is a scalp to be had there, just taking this little run right here up, and that would have given you a nice, I don't know, let's measure it real quick. Let's go to our ruler here. And where are you, ruler? Oh god, what's wrong? There it is. And we can measure here to here. We're not going to get the whole move, obviously, but that's 45 points. So that is a decent scalp. This is all you really need once a day to really be profitable. So yeah, and you're looking at edge pulse, and edge pulse is above the zero line when this is happening. So that's giving you extra confluence that we're actually pushing up. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know in the Discord. Adios.